it's the little unicorn princess here, and in today's video me and my daddy are going to be having a barbecue because he just turned up after work and he surprised me, and we thought it's nice weather so we might as well have one. So I'm going to go get myself ready and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I'm ready to go now. I just got changed and Milo is coming to the shop with me today, and so is Daddy, but you'll see him in a minute when he's probably going to help me put my shoes on because he's laying over there on the bed and he's just too lazy. Da da da.
Hi.
You remind me of Ross from Friends. Hi.
Never put them on, they're horrible.
Don't be mean.
Come on.
Gotta go in the car. Daddy's car's not very nice. But don't tell him that because I'll make him sad. Every single time I come to get a new car, he always has stuff on my seat. Don't put more in there. No. I'll get copyrighted.
No, you won't.
I will. You get copyrighted if you have music in your videos. You have to have music that's non-copyright. I need to get this shaved. This is not the one the Sainsbury's is on, even though I said to you Sainsbury's doesn't sell it. Sainsbury's doesn't sell it. Sainsbury's doesn't sell it.
Pub.
Pub. Pub. Pub. So we just got out of the car and we're about to go into the shop. We're going to see if we can get a little barbecue. I'm hoping that we can find one quickly because I don't know how much time there is left of daylight. So I'll see you inside the shop.
And I've got your camera in my hand.
Do you need to pick up a basket?
Yes, come on.
That one's for me, that one's mine. I'm getting the daddy.
No, come on.
Please. Oh, what's that one? $2.50. Can we get Elsa pay? We get my little please. Please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
I am on a mission and I need to go and find some burger sauce because Daddy took our one to work today and he left it there. So I'm gonna go look for some. another mission. I need to find jalapenos. Ooh, I found them. I have a problem. I found the jalapenos, but I can't find Daddy. And I don't know where he is. And he left his phone in the car. So I can't even call him. And I'm starting to get a little bit scared. Because I really can't find him anywhere. Just me and my little jalapenos. This guy keeps... I found him. He's there. I couldn't find you. I was looking for you. I was starting to get scared.
I was looking for you as well.
What's that?
Your sausages.
Smoky chorizo and apple. Ooh, yum. It's very blurry. Why is it so blurry? Focus. There we go. Right. You got bag ready?
I need it now.
Jason 7 up.
No, I still there. Maybe I should have got water instead.
They don't complain. See you guys back at the house. Hey guys, so we're back at the house. I'm just gonna start setting everything up outside. I don't have any furniture outside, so I just have a 2-room chest that I bought from the bedroom because I live in a flat share. So yeah. Whoa, no!
I'm trying to light one side thing now. I'm still trying
He
to light.
lit the barbecue without even letting me come and film it. You don't get the point of making videos, do you? And you should have lit it on the side that the wind is coming this way.
The wind's going that way, actually.
The wind is blowing it this way, look.
The wind was just blowing it that way a minute ago.
Well, either way. You should let me film you lighting it.
I'm sorry.
So we've got, you haven't got the stuff at the freezer yet.
No.
So we got pork and apple sausages. We've got smoky chorizo style sausages, garlic bread, sweet potato fries, burgers,
That's it.
chicken skewers.
Okay.
The chicken skewers is the bit I'm the most excited for because they look really good. Look at that. And then we got cheese and burger buns. I'm gonna go get changed because the grass keeps tickling in my ankles and it feels weird. Bye. Happiness, and I got my barbecue.
Your sauce is dripping.
Yeah, because you distracted me.
I'm gonna take my
It's gonna be my nice, beautiful. Barbecue sausages. Barbecue sausages. Daddy's putting water in the barbecue because it's finished, but I didn't finish my food. I still got this bit we're going to eat. I left lots of my chips and my garlic bread as well because I got flop. But that's most of the food eaten. Daddy ate all of his food. Anytime.
Oh.
Stand up. I should
If I stand up, look, it cuts my head out, so I'm gonna sit down. Your armpits.
Stop. No, I'm just eating too much. I'll be sick. Okay, so it's recording, by the way.
Hi, everyone.
No, we're saying bye now. This is the end.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you for joining me and Daddy on our first barbecue today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then leave a like down below and maybe even subscribe to my channel as well. I post lots of different little videos. So remember everybody, have a lovely little day. Bye.